that's a market research is a key to the success. So what is a market research? I'll just elaborate it, and we'll discuss in detail how to do the market research for the startup, right? So here is a market, right? So if you have an idea, suppose if you have an idea, you first identify the market, to which market, whether it's this market is basically is for you or not, but at least you identify, right? Identify a market. Suppose I'll be selling my product to the students, I'll be selling my product to the corporate. So this is a market for you, not in general market, market for your business, for your idea. So what are your objectives from this market? What you would like to achieve from this market, right? Okay. Now what this market needs, I mean to say what this market is actually, what is the issue in this market, or what is a problem in this market which you can serve, right? Then you can offer a service as a sample type. You can't go directly to the market. So this sample is nothing, it's experimenting, right? Once you experiment it, right, so you're comfortable, you can execute to the all market, and see, and or this sample execution itself you can see, and then you can analyze the feedbacks, and you can have your own interpretation. And if you're comfortable with this process, you can go to this market. I again highlight this. So market is like, I'll repeat this if any confusion. Market is a place where you can sell your idea in the sense, sell your product or sell your service, right? You define your objectives, what you want to achieve from market. Why they will buy? Because there will be certain needs in in the market. So you have to identify those needs, why they will prefer your product. Maybe you will be reasonable, competitive, unique solution, could be a 24 by 7 service, right? And you don't go directly to the market, the full market in one go. Take some sample, take one or two companies, execute your service or product over there, analyze and take the feedbacks, and then do your internal interpretation along with your colleagues and all. This is how we are earning profit, this is how the market is responding. Now if you're comfortable with this analysis and interpretation, you can attack the full market by registering your company, or doing some ads and all. Whatever way you want to go to that market, that strategy depends on product to product. So this is a process, very important, and we'll discuss this market research in detail in the next session, right? So why market research is important is because it gives you industry outlook. What is the market size? What are the market trends? What is the competitors? What is a buyer persona? Means which age group, which type of person will buy your service? What are the segments? What type of, market segment is basically the what type of total segments, on which segment, target segment is the basically on which segment you will start with, right? Then what is a competitor's market shares, right? What price you should follow, how will market your product. So these all things we will be discussing in detail, but this is an overview. So market gives you a better insight, nobody else, and this research takes time. This is what I, whenever a idea comes to me and they say they are not getting the funds, I focus on all those things. I make the presentations for them or pitch deck for them like this only, right? In this sequence, you can say. So this is very important, right? So based on the research, you can make your strategies, right? How will you go into the market, and how you will attack to that market, and what kind of price. So this is called, this is a part of strategy. So these all we will be discussing in detail, but it's an overview. So market research helps you to make your strategies. Without market research, you can't make your strategies, right? So anyhow, this is, so but once you are through with the research, so this is a research part, right? Self-funding, testing your idea, taking some minor amounts from or grants from the governments or from your friends, or minor amounts, right? And you can make a some pilot project or prototype or some miniature, you can experiment over here. So this till validation, you can take support from your colleagues and friends, right? Once you are confident with your idea, you can launch your startup here. So this is called launching here. You can also take the here, the angel investing or the funding or the venture capitalist comes into the picture. So here the same thing, startup you're launching here slowly. Once your company start growing, you have identified the market, you got some orders, right? So slowly you can scale up. It means you are growing your company. Suppose you are growing your company in Pune. slowly once you will be growing it at the pan India level, it will be maturity level or the scalar level. So same things, startup, scale up, scalar. But before startup, what you are doing here is market research, experimentation. Same thing which I have told you, nothing new, just in other words I am putting here. So actual the fundings will come here when you will plan to launch a startup. Before that, you have to manage funds for of your own for some experimentations, for some other things, minor cost which occurs. So this is all about. Hope it's clear, not complicated. You are all engineers, you can understand the graphs well. So profit is increasing slowly in the in this validation period and all. Profits might not be there. You'll be putting a lot of money from your pocket, or from your friends, or from your colleagues, or you are taking support from the government grants. Slowly this curve will go up, right? Friends, hope you are comfortable with this. Any issue on this we can discuss, but this is the same thing which I told you. So market research is the first step, and then startup, and then scale up, and then scaler. Right? Hope I am audible. Yeah. Uh, yeah. So this is a checklist when you validating your idea. You just you just generate your idea and talk to your peers, craft your idea, acquire some skills. This is before registering a startup I am talking about, or going for a startup. So just create a buzz among your peers, take feedbacks, take some mentors advice, you know arrange some funds from here and there a little bit, just experiment, and then you can do wonders. So at the last, right? So your hard work will define, to become a true entrepreneur. Don't lose patience, if you really want to start. पर आप जब एक बार start कर देते हैं ना, तो उसको खत्म करना है, उसको बीच में नहीं छोड़ना है. That is what. Either you don't start, or if you start, complete the race. It might be time taking, so think thousand times, which we discussed in our earlier sessions, before taking any goal into the picture, and make this a grand success. आपको 5 साल लगे, 6 साल लगे, एग्जाम्पल आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग एग्जाम्पल, और 6 महीने लगे, बट जो भी टास्क है उसमें पूरा 100% पुट करना है आपको. Then only it will be possible to grow your company. Startups तो आप खोल लोगे, कभी भी खोल लोगे, but scale up and scaler, ये दो challenges होते हैं. आप market research, और before opening a startup, market research is very important. So in my next session I'll tell you कि जो बड़ी बड़ी कंपनियां हैं, how they do the market research, and same thing how we can implement in the startup concept. We can implement, and how we'll implement that I'll let you know. So with this thought, I'll be stopping my teach. And any question, please let me know. Hope you like this session.